Hello and welcome to the Dauer Diaries. If you're new here, I'm Jennifer. Cory and I are so very happy to have you here with us on our channel. I wanted to start today by saying thank you. Thank you so much to all of you who left me comments on last week's video. You helped me so much with my decision making on the rug and the candles, and I just cannot thank you enough. And I would also like to speak on behalf of Cory. He's not real big on speaking on camera, and so I wanted to tell all of you how much he appreciated all of your beautiful comments that you left regarding his painting. He is just so appreciative of your support and wants to thank you all. I am so excited for today's video. I have been looking forward to doing this living room refresh for you all. I have some new items to share, and I'm hoping, keeping my fingers crossed, that it all comes together the way I plan. As I've been stating over the last few videos, I really do want to start revamping my decorating style, and I hope to start that process today here in the living room. Now, I know this isn't going to all come together overnight. This is going to continue to be an ongoing process. I am very much rooted in the French country style, and I love and can appreciate everything from provincial to cottage and all the things in between. Before, I've really decorated more on the elegant side of French country, probably more in the provincial style. I like lighter woods and lighter fabrics, and I used a lot of ornate decor. But now I would like to take my French country and create a more rustic, warmer, organic feel to it. I would love to start adding in more of those old world, vintage, those types of things, antiques. I want to really incorporate all of that, as well as bringing in just a touch of modern. So I hope today's video will inspire you to do a bit of refresh decorating in your space. Now, you don't have to spend any money. You can definitely use the things that you already own. Just by putting them in a different location or a different spot in your room will definitely change up the way it looks and feels. And since we're still in the heart of winter, I will be using seasonally appropriate decor for today's video. Now, let's get to creating. Here's a look at our living room before our little makeover. The current rug is something we had in the office of our old home, and when we moved here, the living room rug we owned didn't fit. It was way too large, so we improvised. There's nothing wrong with the current rug, except that it's just too small to work in this space. So I have a new rug to share with you all. Also, if I could paint the walls a warmer color, I would, but I can't since this is a rental home. I'm going to work with the colors even though my new design style leans toward warmer tones. The fireplace is definitely something that I would give a makeover if we owned the home, giving it more of a current and updated look. I would also like to paint the white trim around the hearth to better camouflage it. Right now, it sticks out like a sore thumb. Also, you'll notice the archaic speakers we have sitting around. We do love our surround sound, and this is our only option for now since we don't want to invest in something that won't work in our new home. So it is what it is, and I'll just pretend the ugly speakers aren't there. To start, we're removing the old rug, which I hope to reuse in the kitchen under our new table, which I'll showcase in another video. I found this new rug on Amazon, and I will say I am extremely impressed by its quality for the price. This is a thin rug, so if you like more cushion from your area rugs, then this one is not the one for you. But I will say it is super soft and manageable. It was delivered in a box, and the wrinkles came out easily after laying it flat. Now, getting all the furniture moved and the rug in place, well, it was not easy. The room is very narrow and our furniture is really big and heavy, but we eventually got it right. I was a bit concerned about the color of the rug because buying rugs online is difficult. It's hard to really know what the undertones are and what colors will pull dominant from a picture. I did read all the reviews before buying, and one person said it pulled a little green, which concerned me since I really only wanted brown tones. I will say it did look a little mossy to me as well, but once we got it down and everything else with it, the rug is just absolutely perfect. It's so beautiful and truly warms up the space. Just by changing up the rug, it gave the room new life, and all without breaking the bank. I would also love to buy a new sofa, something in the light brown tones, but that isn't in our budget since we don't want to buy a sofa that won't work in our new home. I will leave all the rug details in the description box below. Another change I've been wanting to make was our curtains. I originally bought this very inexpensive panels to just provide some softness and color to the space, not intending to have to live with them for long. Now I'm just ready for a change, so I purchased these new panels from Amazon. They aren't super pricey, but they have a nice black outliner on the back which gives them weight, and they have a very nice look to them. These curtain rods came in the rental, and so we saw no need to spend unnecessary money on replacing them, but if this were my forever home, I would definitely change them to something more substantial, and that would add character to the room. I would also hang them closer to the ceiling to give the illusion that the ceilings are higher than they are. These curtains come in quite a few colorways, and you can use the tab back, the pocket, or add a ring to hang them. They really are versatile and good quality for the price. Since I love interacting with you all and getting your thoughts on decorating, I have 3 styling options for this cabinet to share. I would love to hear which is your favorite of the 3, so leave me a comment below. This moss is something I created last year as a DIY, and I love that I can move it easily from one vessel to another. I'll leave the DIY video linked below if you're interested in learning how to make your own. Be sure to comment below which option is your favorite. Next, I'm going to add some pretty decor to our DIY side table. I have this small textured vase that is the perfect size, and to that I added some winter cypress stems. I bought this cute little frame from Hobby Lobby, intending to give it a little makeover, but I thought the colors worked for this winter vignette. The picture inside is something I saved from Cory's early morning. I like to doodle some art while I drink my coffee. I love that it's a little bit abstract, but also seasonally appropriate. And of course, you know I had to add a bird. We found this solid brass cutie at an antique mall just over the Tennessee border in Georgia. This is a Pottery Barn vase, and it is a bit more of a splurge, but it is absolutely one of my favorites. I think it works perfectly for every season. Now, I love adding a touch of color in the winter, and these stems are perfect. They are flocked, which gives them that wintry feel. To add in a bit of contrast, I'm going to use these stems. I think they're a thistle, but I'm not entirely sure. I love the color of them and the different texture they bring to the arrangement. I do prefer real candles, but if you have small children or pets, or if you're placing them near something that can catch fire or melt, battery candles are the way to go. I love these, and they have a remote which makes them easier to operate. For my pillows, I'm going to keep them neutral and lighter in color for the season. I can't tell you how much I love this DIY blanket ladder Cory crafted. It's not only functional, but so pretty and adds an additional element of charm to the room. If you'd like to learn how to make your own blanket ladder, I'll leave our DIY video linked in the description box below. I truly hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please hit that like button and share it with someone you know. When you like and share our videos, it really does help our channel grow here on YouTube. Now, please don't forget to leave me a comment below on which cabinet style you preferred, option 1, 2, or 3. I love hearing your thoughts, and I would love to know which one was your favorite. And if you're new to our channel and you love home decorating, DIY home decor for less, antique, vintage, and thrift shopping, then you are in the right place. You'll want to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Now, you'll want to hit that subscribe button one more time and make that drop-down box appear so that you can hit the all bell notification so that you will not miss any of our future content. I hope you found some inspiration today to do some decorating in your own home. And as always, I cannot tell you how much we appreciate each and every one of you. We want to wish you an amazing week ahead, and we'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye for now.